go to school are pencils. I got mechanical pencils, and these are from Staplers. You can go get them there. So yeah. Hold this somehow. Okay, yeah. So once you give them open, it's a really easy open like this, and you just pull it out. So here it is. I'm ready to test them out with you. So they're really easy to get out. There are 2 pencils in whole set. So 2 pencils. And they go out like this. It has the lead inside. And they're easy to screw on and screw off. Cut. So yeah. It has a soft rubbery feel. And take a close up of it. So yeah. This is a pencil. It comes with erasers. You can see 3 erasers. And then this other box, which I think is extra lead. You guys can hear that? If you guys can hear that, then that's the lead. I think, yeah. As you can see, there's a lead right there. But yeah. Next, there is this pencil case, because obviously you need something to put your pencils in. So yeah, this is super cute. I love it. Yeah, this is just my opinion, though. I really like this. And yeah, let's move on to the second one. Okay. The second one I got are these double tip highlighters. So yeah, as you can see on the back, there are 2 sides. And so yeah, let's see what this is all about. And at the end of the video, I am going to be testing how each of them are, like how good they write. And yeah, if I can even get this open. But yeah. And I don't know what to say because I'm just trying to get this open. You guys return your scissors. I'm just gonna get my tiny scissors. Oh, that's it. Okay, there. Getting it open. So yeah, there's going to be multiple parts of this video. And I know it's getting kind of long already, but yeah. We're going to be testing them all out at the end, like I said. And just tearing apart this. At this point, I don't even know how to get this out. Okay. So there are 3 colors. 4, I guess, if you count the yellow. So there's yellow, there's green, pink, and blue. And so yeah, these are the highlighters. This is what they look like. Yeah, and then this is the other side. And we're going to be testing this out again, like I said. So yeah, the next thing there is, which I'm super excited about. So it's like a calendar where you can do all your things. So like morning routines, things I do in the morning, and then afternoon, and then my top 3 like favorite things. And so yeah, once again I got this at Staples, and yeah. So there is a lot of papers. So yeah, let's move on to I think the last one. So the last 2. So this is kind of for like parents. There's a menu right here, and then a grocery list, and there are multiple of them. So this is a menu like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then this is a shopping list. So yeah, and then this is the last one. I know this isn't school related, but yeah, there is this PBJ that I found there too. So you ready?